You selected business number registrations. Each sole proprietor, partnership, or corporation needs only one business number. The business number can be used for GST, HST, payroll deductions, corporate income tax, and import-export business accounts. For information on how to register for a business number, press 1. For information on your requirement to register for one of our business accounts, press 2. Most businesses can register using our business registration online application. However, if you are a federal corporation or a provincial corporation in the province of New Brunswick, Nova Scotia, British Columbia, Manitoba, or Ontario, you will automatically get a business number when you incorporate. The business number is required to register program accounts. Other corporations can obtain a business number using one of these 4 methods: on our website, by fax, by mail, or by phone. All businesses can also obtain program accounts by using these methods. Please listen to the following to find out how. To register on the website using our business registration online service, please visit www.cra.gc.ca/bro. This service also allows you to register to provincial program accounts in Nova Scotia, British Columbia, and Ontario. However, you can't register using our website if you are a non-resident. To register by fax or by mail, complete Form RC1, request for a business number, and mail, fax, or drop it off at any of our tax services offices. If you are a corporation, you will also need to attach a copy of your Articles of Incorporation to your application. You will find the addresses and contact information for our tax services offices on our website at www.cra.gc.ca or in the government blue pages of your phone book. You can register by phone if you have all the following information ready: any existing business number, the complete business and mailing addresses, the phone number of each officer and their social insurance number, the name and phone number of a contact person, a description of the major business activity and the percentage of the revenue that comes from each of your main 3 products or services, the date of your business's fiscal year end, and an estimate of your annual GST/HST taxable sales, including those of your associates. Presently, we are unable to process registrations for newly incorporated companies over the phone. If you are incorporated, but we haven't yet assigned you a business number,